All right, here we go. We're gonna change the oil pump on this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan 3.6. First, let's disconnect the battery. Pause. Ta-da! All right, let's get it lifted up. All right, remove the tire. Got to remove these covers. This exhaust, I don't know. We're gonna try and get it out of here without removing that subframe. And looks like we got an old seal leak, rear seal. Also, the dipstick tube is eventually gonna have to come out. It's a bolt way up there. Lower pan is not gonna be a problem. Shaft's gotta come out. So let's remove these covers. Spray some stuff on this exhaust, and I'll be back. Alright, here's what it looks like inside. Not looking too good. Pickup tube clogged up, oil buildup like crazy. It just got ran low. Let's see if we can't salvage it. There's the pipes. This right here is just, I just put some PB Blaster a couple times, keep tapping lightly on it, it'll come off. Take the drive shaft out. Pickup tube we're fixing to knock out. Cross member from below. Now we got the upper. Upper pan. And there's a wire over there we gotta pop through. There's a little tensioner. Alright. Here's the back of the pan. Pickup tube I'm gonna knock out from below. You see it there, it's kind of tight. So we're gonna pop it out from in here. I hope. Alright, let's do it. Alright, here I might show you the inside of the pan. That looks really bad. I'm telling you, you need to change your oil regular. That looks really bad. Alright, there's the pickup tube. A little bit clogged. That is really bad. There's that old lower pan, the upper pan. It's in pretty bad shape, ain't it? I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Oil pump right here in the front. It's gotta come out. Splash seal needs to come off, get cleaned up real good. It's a mess. Just don't forget, oops. Don't forget them two little bolts in the back. Well, there's the windage tray. It looks pretty bad. There's the old oil pump. I hope the ones that anybody else has to change don't look this bad. The oil pan, lower pan. Let's show the upper pan. Yay! Almost. It's, woo! This thing runs really good though. Got to it just in time. Alright. Alright, there's the new pump. The windage tray's cleaned up. We don't want nothing else to get caught in that pickup string. Getting ready for the oil pan. Alright, also might be better to put the half shaft back in so the oil pan ain't in the way. It's a little bit easier. Okay. Alright, so what we do is to hand tighten the main pan bolts first. There's 19 of them, some on the inside. Hand tighten these back ones, 41 foot-pounds. Then go back and tighten these to 18 foot-pounds. I'm going to put my light on now. And then these two in the very back. And this hole, and then this hole. Those are only 9 foot-pounds. Nothing to it. Now we're ready to put the pickup tube on and the lower pan and get it back together. Yay, my light's shining too. There's the pickup tube. Ready to go. Dipstick. She is. Don't forget the dipstick too. There you go. Put it back together. Exhaust. Ran it. No leaks. You see a little bit of stuff on the exhaust. That's PB blaster. Don't have no leaks. Looks good.